Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Artillery3D Sidewinder X4 Plus 3D printer. This machine promises to deliver large-scale printing capabilities with impressive speed and quality. Let's see how it holds up. Starting with the design, the Sidewinder X4 Plus follows a typical Cartesian 3D printer layout. But it's built to accommodate its large print area of 300 by 300 by 400 mm. The frame features robust all-metal linear rails on the X and Y axes, which enhance stability and precision, crucial for high-speed printing. The printer itself feels solid and well-built, though it leans more towards function over form. It includes thoughtful additions like a filament sensor, integrated tool tray, and a user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Moving on to features, this printer comes loaded. It's equipped with Clipper firmware and an ARM processor, enabling speeds up to 500 mm per second while maintaining quality. The all-metal hot end can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, accommodating a wide range of materials from standard PLA to more exotic filaments like carbon fiber. Setup is straightforward, with the printer arriving 98% pre-assembled. And it includes auto bed leveling with 121 points of detection for precise prints. Connectivity options are plentiful, supporting Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, which adds flexibility for different workflow needs. Now, let's talk about print quality. During our tests, the Sidewinder X4 Plus impressed with its ability to produce detailed prints with minimal imperfections. Layer adhesion is excellent, and the printer handles complex geometries well, though there were minor issues with bridging and overhangs in some cases. Overall, it's a step above typical entry-level printers in terms of output quality. In conclusion, the Artillery3D Sidewinder X4 Plus is an excellent choice for users looking to dive into large-scale 3D printing without compromising on speed or quality. It's ideal for projects that demand substantial build areas and fast turnaround times. However, if you prioritize design aesthetics or simplicity in operation, this might not be the best fit for you. Consider getting the Sidewinder X4 Plus if you need expansive printing capabilities coupled with rapid and precise performance. It's a great tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike who value functionality over form.